Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with SugarCell for Sales Pipeline CRM, full guide step by step clearly. On the home page, look for the products section in the main menu. Click on the SugarCell option to learn more about the product features and benefits. Scroll down to locate the pricing or get started button. Click on the button to view available subscription plans. Review the different tiers of service to determine which plan suits your needs. Once selected, you'll be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in the required fields, including your company name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a username and a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements specified on the screen. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms to proceed with the subscription. You may be offered a free trial. If interested, choose that option. If you prefer to skip the trial, proceed to the payment section. Input your credit card details or select another payment method provided. Confirm your billing address and ensure all information is correct. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after completing your subscription. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your SugarCell account. Log into your account using the username and password you created. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available tools. Set up your sales pipeline by adding relevant contacts and opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.